Alright, y'all see what it is for the day, man. Got another red day. don't really mean nothing, man. Just take advantage of these dips. It's part of the market, man. It's a roller coaster ride. Stock's gonna go up, it's gonna go down. I always remember one thing. The economy, whatever goes on in the economy, especially with politics, does affect the stock market. A lot of people don't realize that, but yeah. The emotions of the economy and the politics will affect the stock market. So y'all just know that. You got the shutdown going on, interest rate cuts. Seen a notification today on the article saying that I didn't read all of it. Well, I see the notification I got. He gonna give us the cut for October, but I don't know about December. So I think he gonna give us this one. Might give us 25 points, but December gonna be kind of shaky. So we're gonna see. Anyway, y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel. Also got a nice cash flow list to get. Urgent buys, urgent sales. What came in urgent that I woke up to. CONY Coney options on Coinbase paying 34 cents a share for the month. You'll get your payment tomorrow. This one here coming on down. Now I loaded up, brought 100 shares at 636 in my Weevil portfolio. That's the one I buy and trade it. When it go back to 734, I'm gonna trade it. But right here in my which one is this? Robinhood. I buy and hold all these fractional shares, $2, $3, $5. I keep for long term, building a position in it. The ones I buy, the big amounts, quantities, the 25, 50 shares here, I do sell those when they go above the $7 mark. Just keep my total return looking good. But all these frac $5 and $6, $5, $3 and all that, I keep that for the long term. But I only buy this thing when it's down and when it's being hit hard. YMAX, I didn't get anything triggered, but it's in my buy zone. I got a buy limit order at $12.49 for 5 shares. Going right now, I get $5 worth. YMAX is one I'm not going to sell the shares. I'm just going to keep for the long run. Any yield max that I don't want to buy anymore, I just put the money, the dividends into YMAX. MSTY down 11.92. Getting tore up out of the frame, trying to build a position here. They paying this month, they only paying 90 cents, no, 60 cents. Yeah, I just seen that today. They paying a dividend of 60 cents a share. So this one definitely getting hit hard. That's why I tell y'all, you got to buy it and sell it, buy it and sell it. YBit getting hit hard because Bitcoin is down. I definitely brought a lot of shares of this one here today. I buy this at $10 and under. Bitcoin cool, but once you sell it, that's gonna be it. ULTY, once you sell it, you gotta wait for it to pull back for you to buy back in. Or if it keep going, you just it is what it is. You pull out too early. ULTY 529. Gonna add on some more here. I got a dividend payment of $267.02 coming out. Well, got a payment coming in tomorrow. RPT, another swing trade one I like. Down to 238 today. I'm buying some cash flow, man. And I'm using margin. And I'm excited to see it. Cause I ain't got to spend mine. Get me a loan from Robinhood. That's what this is. Margin loan at 5.5%. It's probably at 5 now because it was 5.25 or something. Being that the interest rate got cut. And I would gladly use their money because I don't need it now. And grow my stock portfolio the way I want it. $3.31 for RC. Pay 12.5 cents a share a month out quarterly. I'm definitely buying that because once this go back up, I'm gonna swing trade it and I'm not gonna enter it again. I'm focusing right now on YMAX. That's gonna be my go-to play. And ULTY and Coney, trading Coney. MSTY getting a little more volatile than all the other ones, but I'm gonna see. I could just reinvest the dividends of that in the YMAX. Like I said, I never sell it. I never sell my stocks in the red, especially not a dividend play. I just put it into another play. Horizon Technology, 11 cents a share a month. Definitely one of my favorite monthly players. It's just getting whooped, man. Right about now. Hopefully this could go back at least past the $7 mark. I believe it got enough faith to do it. Got faith in it to do it. But that really doesn't matter. Depends on what other people think about it. USOI getting whooped. This is paying 78 cents a share for the month. Like oil stocks just getting whooped. Exxon getting whooped. Chevron getting whooped. USOY getting whooped. It's getting whooped, man. Metafast 13.14. Buying at these prices, man. I'm just get one share a day. Try to cash up a little bit. I brought enough shares when they go past the 14 mark. I'm gonna sell them, rinse and repeat. Trade myself up out of this one. SRLN, 8% dividend yield. Parking cash here, buying $5 to $10 a day. That's about to shoot back up. So that's another one I brought some of. CHMI Cherry Hill, $2.36. Another one I'm gonna swing trade. That ticker 2 TWO. 2 Harbors, $9.75 today. Now at $9.72. On my average cost of this one, it's gonna go back above the $10 mark. Nice dividend yield also. Just pay out quarterly. LFT, Lumen Finance, was on a nice run. Going at 181. This is also gonna be a swing trade. That's why I'm not really tripping on nothing, because a lot of stuff you see me gobbling down on and buying a lot, I'm going to get the money back when I sell it. And one thing about it, until it's squeezed to the price you want, get paid the dividend for holding it. So you can sit there and milk it for 3 months, 6 months. That's 2 quarters of dividends. And when it go up, you sell it. And you get your capital appreciation plus the dividends. So you won double time. And like SCHD right now below the $27 mark. I took it off $1 a day recurring, because I can monitor it now, especially when it's this cheap. OXSQ, 3.5 cents a share a month. This one has been put. I said it's going to go back above. I want to say the $3 mark, but it's going to go back above $2. Look in the last week. That's the chart of it. Last month. Came all the way down, bottom out. Now it's going back out. Going in at 186 today. This is still at these prices, even though it's riding on up. Wendy's, WEN, 881. I'm at 1029. $9. $10 to lower my average cost in this one. So when this one decides to squeeze, once I get out of this position in this one, I'm done with it. I got another position in my Cash App. I ain't gonna call it long term, because once I get out of that, I'm done. Pinning it float, 10 cents a share a month. And also remember the REITs and the BDCs, man, they gonna that EPD right here, nice solid 8% dealing with 7% yield. Nice one to get. PE ratio 11.39, undervalued, 52-week high 34.63, market cap $66 billion. This is a dividend income play right there. LYB, Lionel Basel. This one here still getting whooped. Dividend yield 11.59% right now. 32% got as a buy. 52 is a hold. 16% a sell. This is what the Bulls say. Somewhat irritating risk industry. Molasses chemicals. Let's see what the Bears got to say. Brown had to cut his dividend. We have to cut his dividend due to current downturn. Well, we can expect a dividend cut. Dow just did a dividend cut also. And free cash flow will not be able to cover the dividend payment. Natural gas feedstock eventually erode over time due to a permanent increase of North American gas prices. This will lead to margin compression over the long run, subject to higher and more volatile costs, which will weigh in on profits. Well, it's called inflation. Go to the next one, COF. Lionel Balls, if you're not in it, stay out of it. I'm already in it, too late. Capital One, definitely one I like. Definitely buying this one. Long-term play. Walmart, I wish Walmart would come back down to $98, man, or $100. I definitely need to get some of that. I got $1,000 on that of my own money. I'm going to put in on that, my Cash App portfolio. Anyway, it's down today, 2.1. That's a discount with 2% discount on the price. I got Walmart on recurring $1 a day anyway in this portfolio. Let me look at the Dow and DEA. Dow at 2191. I need to be knowing my average cost in this one. And then that they did a dividend cut. All it's taking is like 2 quarters of earnings to come, showing some good revenue. Their stock gonna go up 22.18 at DEA. All right, let's go check our traps. I don't know if we got a recession looming tonight. I thought the recession thing was over with, but we're going to see what's going to happen. This economy just in a wreck right now. The shutdown. I actually, matter of fact, leave in the comments how long y'all think the shutdown gonna stay down. The government gonna stay shut down. I think this thing gonna go past November, man. To be honest, I think Trump don't care. You know, Trump stubborn. If he got a point to prove, he gonna prove it. He don't care about everybody else. And it is what it is. So I know that I don't know, man. Just ugly right now in the United States. But you gotta hold on tight, stay prayed up, and stay in this market. It's the only thing I'm gonna tell you. When things turn around, you gonna be glad you wrote it out. All right. See what's happening out here. New Tech now 2.23%. More of a discount on this. Start going a little heavy on this one, knocking these average costs down. At 1240 right now. Bank of Hawaii. I want this to go to that 52-week high. I know the 52-week high done came down by now. $82.70. That'd be a nice little run there. But it might can do it after the interest rate cuts. That's when I'm going to get rid of all my bank stocks and I'm just ride with the credit card companies. One bank stock I do like is SoFi, though. It's another one I brought and sold. It's up 3.98% for the day. Don't mean nothing. I just wanted to maintain until somebody come buy it out and do something with it so I can be in the driver's seat to win. That LFT, BXMT, just check these traps here. Blackstone, 10.16% yield. Market cap, oh yeah, this is definitely a buy. Market cap 3.2 billion. 21.24 for the 52-week high, low 16. Okay, we can help start riding this one here, lowering that average cost. So when it get up, I can dump it, get up out of it, and put my money in YBACs and just ride it out. Did do TCPC, Global Net Lease, nice quarterly dividend player. Probably was up in this one. Let this come down some more. MFIC was one I was buying. 1173. Let that come down some more. Land, wait for this to get below the $9 mark. This is trading sideways. That line of balls with Redwood Trust, another one. 562, 760. Another nice quarterly pair here to have. 12.68% yield. 52-week high 790, a low 468. What they got? Got this hole in the buy. No sales. It's a good thing there. Westlake Chemicals. See, I'm thinking of getting rid of all these chemical companies. That's another one like Lionel and Basel and Eastman Chemicals. I got in my cash app. I need to go get rid of that one. Put that in SCHD. Something a little less volatile. AFCG. Another one gonna get swing traded. Especially everything coming out of Florida. All REITs, I'm dumping all Florida REITs. So when them hurricanes come, they're gonna make escrow payments gonna be so high to get insurance and to insure those properties is not gonna be funny. People gonna be moving out of California and Florida, especially with them wildfires out there in Cali. If they don't get that under control. P ratio negative 8.65%, 24.09% yield. And they talking about becoming a BDC. Anyway, 353. Yeah, when this one go back up, I'm going to completely exit and I'm done with it. Take it off my watch list, finish with it. IVR, 40 cents a share out every quarter. And LY like this need to come back around the $19 mark so I can load up on this one. I want to start a position on this one in my cash app. One thing I like about this one is that yield. I mean the market cap 13.3. Then they brought their yield down to 13%. Paying 70 cents a share every quarter. Got USOI. SDIV, not worrying about that. Goldman Sachs BDC, 14.21% yield. Definitely nice quarterly pair when you're not looking. Got Coney, Diesel, another one. I'm coming down in. I'm a dump also. And put the money in the YMAX. Exxon Oil, you like this at 12 and under. AMDY, I don't even buy no more. NFLY, Netflix. This one, another one under YMAX. This runs back up. I'ma sell this one. And just put the money in the YMAX. Cause it is under YMAX umbrella. ULTY, look at that one more time. That's why I'm not loading up. Just buying $5 here, $3 here. I already got buy limit order set anyway. YMAG, haven't brought in this in probably a whole year, man. 1504. This one really never goes down. All right, AIYY. I want this at like 240 range, so I'm not bothering this one. It'll ride back up to 270 and I'll sell it. YBit. That's all I'm about to do from here on out. Not loading up on nothing no more in this portfolio. Just buying fractional shares. All I'm loading up on is YMAX and ULTY. Other stuff gonna get fractional shares. IWMY, I did load up on this one. I like this at 23 and under. But like I say, now just gonna be fractional sharing it up. This pays out weekly. This one I actually do like. I like the Russell 2000. YMAX. Let's look at that again. 1248. And the buy limit at 1249. So I know it had to trigger it by now, you would think. Yep, 1240, 1225, my next one. And that's cool. It's pay out weekly anyway. Had to buy this while it's cheap. PYPY, another one I'm going to sell because they got that under YMAX also. I like this at 11 and under. Last week, it was at 1161. And the market came on down. Charge point down another 4%. I get it below $11. Got to come down some more for me. Bull. These are the ones I want. Bull and Robinhood. Hood discount 1.8%. Coming on down some more too. Time is below my average calls. I'm buying it. This for a long-term play. SoFi, oh yeah. Ain't on the 2678. Oh well. But that's why I like buying the yield maxes, man, especially ones pay every week. And just in case you run out of money, man, you can just reinvest the dividends every 5-7 days. But that's it there for today, man. Y'all stay safe out there. What's the other one? FSK was getting whooped. I know it's probably up, but it's a nice monthly payer there also. $14.90. Yep. All right, y'all stay safe out there. Signing off. Go get your money.